I've been thinking about doing this for a while. Some people who know me probably familiar with this old bike, this old beauty. Looking a bit worse for wear because it's spent probably 2 winters outside. It's got stuff growing in it. I took the tank off just now and there was like a whole nest of stuff in there. But amazingly, I found the key for it. It's got life. That's that old motorback motor in there. The old yellow motorback motors, they're just awesome. So I'm going to get this thing up and running again, just pick away at it. Now the bike is kind of, it stands the way I want it. There's not much I really want to change. In the back end I've got an R6 shock in the back. Gsxr 1100 water-cooled front end, but those forks are knackered. I've got a set of Gsxr 750 or ZX7RR forks that are going to go in there. Got to machine up some bushes and wheel spindles and stuff for it to make it work. Because that front end was never very good. It's always too hard, too heavy. Paintwork took a beating. Fell over, got a scuff up. I just lost heart with the bike really. Carburetors, I'll probably change those. That's the original flatty carbs that came with it. So the bike being a Gsxr 750 Slabside 1985, but it's got a Bandit 12 motor in it, some different cams. But I still ran the 34mm Mikuni flat slides, which actually served it pretty well still. But I'm ready to get rid of those, I think, because I've been sort of nursing those on for years and years and years as it is. A lot of clatter in the slides, just old and worn out, and right now it's sea solid. So I'll probably just go for a set of standard Bandit carbs. If I can't find a set of standard Bandit carbs, then I'm half tempted to go up and drag the 40mm Mikuni flat slides off of my drag bike. I don't really want to do that because if you get caught out, I don't want those carbs getting wet really. If you get caught in some bad weather, I wouldn't be too chuffed if they got bad because they're just like mint. So we'll see what happens. I'll take those carbs off now, get them on the bench, strip them down, see what they look like. Probably look terrible. If they're not too bad, if they're salvageable, I'll salvage them and I'll use them again. But if they're bad enough, then I'll get some Bandit 12 carbs on there, just run them standard, because I'll tell you what, the bike was pretty rapid as she was, as my mate used to affectionately call it, the warp machine. Because we just hear a brah and then you were at the other end of the road. Yeah, she was pretty quick. So basically it's just a pull, strip down and rebuild really, cosmetic rebuild. There's not really that much wrong with it. So surprisingly enough, the brakes were free. I just pumped the tyres up, dragged it out, but I'll have those master cylinders, calipers all stripped down, rebuilt. All my swinging arm linkage and all that business rebuilt, because I want to polish the swinging arm again, polish the frame, polish the engine cases, get the other cases painted, patch up the paintwork on the tank, or just go for a full respray maybe, don't know. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you reckon, and I'll post up another video once I've got things rolling. Catch you later.